So in Terabox, what you can actually do is you can let Terabox AI do a deep research by telling it what to research on. So for that, over here in Tera AI, you can see that deep research is an option. So once you go around over here, you can simply go ahead and tell it to research something. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say research about benefits of online education for let's say, for example, third world countries right here, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Once you do that, you can see that it simply goes ahead and resets the report outline right here, just like this. So you can see that it adds in section right here, just like this. You got section 2 as well. You can even go ahead and then add in sections as you want right here. You can add in sections, and let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in conclusion right here, just like this. And once I go ahead and do that, I can go ahead and click on generate a research report right here, and then you can see the research progress right here. So you got the in-depth literature retrieval, data collection. You can see that there's sufficient analysis and argument, and there's insight, integration, report building. So it does all of that by searching out for the information from the web right here. So over here on the right hand side, now you can see the document being generated. So you do need to go ahead and wait for a while. It's searching out sources from the search engine, as you can see, and you need to wait for a while for the research to be completed, and it'll give you a final document with all of the details that it found. So over here, you can see that it generated out the abstract right here, just like this, and then the advantages of online education in developing regions, and flexibility and convergence, convenience for diverse learners, as you can see right here, and so forth. It even got the data right here, as you can see, and accessibility to global education resources, and so forth right here. So you can see that it got all of these details right here from the web, and is presenting it out right here along with the references as well, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that these are the documents that it has right here, just like this. So it is still generating it, so you need to go ahead and wait for a while in order for it to be completed. So over here, you can see that it has completed generating it out now, and you will be able to see the web page as well with visuals, as you can see right here. So let me just go around onto full screen, and you can see a complete web page as well with abstract, as you can see, advantages of online education, as you can see, along with the graphs and challenges and opportunities and so forth. So all the research is there in detail, as you can see. You can even go ahead and download it if you have the premium version as well. And you get the document right here as well, as we just saw, just like this. So this is how you can go ahead and then use Terabox AI deep research to go ahead and generate out a detailed research for you easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.